All right, here is another video for Co16B. The question this is from Pham's WebAssign homework. The question is the yield V in pounds per acre after T years is given by V of T, or V is what they said, it's V of T, is 7,955.4 times e to the negative 0.0452 divided by T. What rate, when you hear the word rate, you should think derivative. What rate is the yield changing at when time is 5 years, 10 years, or 25 years? And so to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to do one thing. I really don't like, fractions are just a pain, especially when you're just dividing by T. So instead of writing this as negative 0.0452 divided by T, I'm going to write that as negative 0.0452 times T to the negative 1 power. That's going to be a little bit easier to differentiate when I do this problem. So to find the rate that the yield is changing at, I need to find V prime of T. That's the rate of change at time T. And that's going to be in pounds per acre per year, right? It's going to be increasing or decreasing at some amount of pounds per acre per year, which is kind of a weird quantity, but that's what we got. So taking the derivative here, this constant multiple just sticks around. So I've got, right, something times e to the stuff. The derivative is that same constant times the derivative e to the stuff is e to the stuff exactly, right? That doesn't change. You always, for exponential functions, when you're taking the derivative, the exact exponential function you had always exactly shows up as is, and then you have to multiply by the derivative of that stuff. So the derivative of this constant times t to the negative first, well, it's going to be that constant, negative 0.0452, times the derivative of t to the negative first, which is negative 1 times t to the negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. Oh, I should lift up my screen so my head is not all just cut off here. It really bothers me. I'm like looking at just the top of or the bottom of my face. That's a little bit better. Okay, so then we could simplify this a little bit. I might rewrite it as v prime of t equals 7,955.4 times e to the, now I probably will actually rewrite this how it was written in the beginning, negative 0.0452 divided by t times negative times negative is a positive, so I'm going to write 0.0452 divided by t squared instead of times t to the negative second. And then to find the answers, I'm just going to do one of them. You guys can do the other ones. I'm going to do 10 because that one seems easy to plug in. So v prime of 10, if I just plug in 10, it's going to be, so I'm going to do 7,955.4 times 0.0452 times, or I do the multiplication of the constants first, it just feels easier that way, times e to the negative 0.0452, sometimes I write t when I say 2, divided by 10, all over 10 squared, which isn't too terrible. If I get out my calculator, oh, sorry, no, that's fine, sorry, my t squared mistake is over here, apologies. So getting out my calculator, I'm just going to do this. So I would probably do the e to the part first, and then to multiply and divide. So I'm going to do, let's see, e to the parentheses negative, and I know that dividing by 10 just moves the decimal over 1, so I'm going to do 0.00452, close parentheses, get about 0.99, which makes sense because e to the 0 is 1, so e to the something close to 0 is going to be close to 1. Hopefully you guys don't hear that noise in the background that I'm hearing. So I've got e to the stuff is 0.99, and I'm going to multiply by these two numbers and divide by 100. So times 7,955.4 times 0.0452 gives you that 357, and then divide by 100, right, 10 squared is 100, I'm getting 3.57. I don't remember if the question said to round. Oh, it does. It says round your answer to 2 decimal places. So my answer I'm getting 3.579. So I would round this to 3.58, and that's going to be pounds per acre per year. So pounds per acre per year, meaning that we're increasing at about 3.6 pounds per acre per year. So each acre is producing an additional 3.58 pounds each year at this particular year 10. In a different year, you're going to get a different value here. So you guys should do the same exact, you don't have to do all the same work, but at the end here, you're going to plug in t equal to 5 as well and get some different numbers and t equal to 25. So hopefully that is fairly clear as to what's going on there.